Look up alliancetravelinsurance.com online. Key in your destination, your main area. If you have 2 countries, just pick one. The travel dates, I just put 2 weeks in October. Doesn't really matter. It matters that you put your dates, but basically the quotes will be the same. The age, I put 60. The state of residence, Florida. Then the total trip cost, you put what you may not get refunded if the trip cancels, such as your flight, maybe an Airbnb or hotels that you've prepaid. And then it will give you 3 choices. You can have the basic, prime, or premier. Sometimes I've chosen the premier if it's affordable. Sometimes I've chosen the prime just to save money. Doesn't matter. I've never done either one of these. It hasn't applied to me. And then you just fill out your information. I add in the additional person, your spouse, and their date of birth. And you go in and give them your email, and then hit the terms and the all the price that you've read, the pricing details, and then give the credit card information. And that's it.